Okay guys, now we're gonna fix the charging port for a Galaxy Note 5. I'm on my halfway to get it done right now. I'm gonna show you what's going on. The customer says that the key, I don't know if you can see it, the key misstepped the charging port. So I'm gonna show you how to replace only the charging port without removing the screen or without removing anything, because you know, this is kind of a pain that is gonna come out if you try to take it out, the keypads. Alright, let's go. I already removed the screw that you have right here, and I realized the flex cable. You need to get a something like that to lift it a little bit. You have to take care because down this charging port you have the home button, so if you put heat with the heat gun, maybe you're gonna lose the home button, and that could be a problem. The first thing you're gonna need is soldering. You're gonna put a little bit of soldering in the top and just leave it for a while. This is a flex cable, so this is not extremely hard to come out with the soldering. So once you get it, let's see, once you get it loose, it's gonna be easy to take it out. You see? Now I took it out without damaging anything, without the heat gun, or without replacing the flex cable or removing it from the phone. Alright guys, I got the new charging port here. Now I'm gonna clean everything to put it back, because it has some glue. You have to do this like, you have to take care because you can damage the lines, the pins of the soldering. Alright guys, there is a glue that you have to remove with the soldering to make a perfect fit in there. Okay guys, to put the new charging port, you're gonna need some help from the heat gun. You're gonna put it in 220, something like that, not too hot, because as I said, you have a bottom in the bottom of the part, so you have a hot bottom in the back that you don't want to lose. You put the soldering, you put the flux, and you make it liquid with the soldering and keep it hot with the air gun like that for a second, and it's gonna go all the way down, and that's it. Hold it for a second and you are done. Simple and easy. Don't get too hot to get the screen bad, don't get too hot to get anything bad. So this is how you get a new charging port in your Note 5. Now press it, make sure that it's placed on place, and make sure that you have the bottom working. So that's it, and this is how you get a new charging port in the Galaxy Note 5. Now with the microscope, you need to make sure that all the pins are, so you're gonna put soldering on all the pins, all that stuff. Okay, I just finished the soldering in the charging port. I finished, like, I put the screw and all that stuff. Now let's try to see if it's gonna charge or not. Plug it in, and there you go. Now the phone is charging. And this is how you get the new charging port on the Galaxy Note 5 without removing the flex cable or doing anything else. That's it. You press the home and it works. There you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm here to help you, to learn from you. You're gonna learn some things from me or whatever. Just let me know which repair you want me to make or which video you wanna see in the future. Give a thumbs up if you learned something today.